the new Tacomas and the TRD Pro 4Runners, Land Cruisers, they have the new features, the crawl control. Okay, that's only on 4x4 Tacomas or 4Runners, only on 4x4. What we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to activate these so you can tell your customers. Okay, we're gonna go up this hill, which is not a very big hill, but we're gonna do it. We're gonna go on 4x2 right now. You see how it struggles on 4x2.
Right.
Okay, now here, let's go up a little higher, because I want to show you too what they have the hill control. Okay. So when we are up here, if you let your foot out of the gas and the brake, and the heel is too steep for the truck, you see what happens. You see how it brakes it by itself.
That's
the ABS pumping.
Right.
That's the ABS pumping.
Wow.
It's telling you that the truck is going backwards, and it shouldn't be go backwards because you're in drive. If you put in reverse, of course, it's gonna go without braking. Okay. So that's one of the things that the customers are gonna ask when that happens. They're gonna think the truck is braking, and it's not braking. Okay.
It's just the ABS system activating, pumping it fast.
Now, Toyotas, they have the 4x4 on the fly, which means you can go from two-wheel drive to 4H up to 65 miles an hour. I've never done it that fast. Usually 40 miles an hour is fine for me. But when you put it in 4H, as soon as you engage, you'll see the difference between going from 2H to 4H. Okay, no problem. Now, if this hill were be in a higher angle or it will be wet, you can use the crawl control mode. And in order to do that, you have to put the car in neutral. Okay. Neutral is important because it's going to allow you to go from 4H to 4L. Okay. As soon as you go on 4L, you're going to see the truck in here, the lights. It says 4 low, truck off, and the traction control is going to be off too. All right. Now we're going to activate the crawl control. We put it in drive, and we're going to put crawl control. In the crawl control, you have 5 different speeds. High, you can see it here on the screen. Medium, low. Okay. We're going to go one more after low. And as soon as I let the foot out of the gas, out of the brake, you'll see what it does. You see how it's driving by itself? I only
hearing is the ABS pumping too. Go ahead.
So I don't have, yeah, that's the ABS pumping. I don't have my foot on the gas or the brake. Okay. The truck is doing everything. I'm only controlling where we go. Okay. And again, this is not really a big hill for the truck, but it is enough for us to see it and learn. You can adjust the speed anytime from here. You can brake, put on reverse, and it will do the same going backwards. You see how it's braking? I'm not doing anything. Alright. Now to go down the hill, we probably want to go at a speed that we can control the car, and that's how we control the chromo here. We're gonna put it in drive, and we're gonna see what happens when we go down the hill. And again, look, I don't have I'm not touching the pedals. Okay, so the truck is getting ready to go down. the truck is going down the hill at a controlled speed, and I'm not doing anything with the pedals. And it's the same with when we have to go in mud. What the engine is doing is deciding what wheel is spinning the most and is braking them, because he wants all the wheels spinning at the same time, at the same speed. Not at the same time, at the same speed. So you're gonna hear the brakes when the ABS brakes a tire and puts the force on the other three, or four, you know. And this is without touching anything, or the gas or the brake. Now when you are done with the terrain that you needed more power and control, you can stop the car, put on neutral, and go from 4L to 4H, or from 4L to 2H. It won't matter, okay? We're gonna leave it on 4H right now because I want to show you how you can take the 4H and the 2H on the fly. So when you read the Toyota has 4x4 on the fly, that's what it means, okay? So we don't need any more 4x4 here. We're gonna put on 4x2. And now everything is deactivated. You can continue your wherever you go. And that's your 4x4 with the crop control.